we're going to teach you how to install the SQLyog. After you download, just open it, double click, and just click OK. Then next, click next. Then click the agreement. I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then next. Then click also next. Then install. Wait for it. Then click next. And finish. Then we're gonna connect our database to our SQLyog. The license key is already provided by our instructor. This one, it is already provided by our instructor. Just copy this one and paste it on the license key. Paste, then register. Then click OK. After that, we're gonna connect our database to SQLyog. Click the new, then just click OK, or you can put any name. Then the password is the root password that we made in our MySQL community server. And just click the connect, then click yes. And that's it. It's already connected our database to our SQLyog.